It's called microwave.
You might recognize the chords. It's a little bit of steel.
Here we go. We stole this. We stole it. Okay.
Joe joined the band now.
I think Joe looks good in his pink shirt.
Now, everybody out there, this is a song about a microwave.
There we go. There you go, Jeff. Play it.
You don't have to go through the whole song. No, you gotta remember is this part. The chorus, microwave. I often cook things in my microwave. In my put it in my microwave. We got one more round. Here we go. Oh, you don't have to go through the whole song. All you gotta remember is this part. Put it in my microwave.
All right. How many shots?
Thanks,
How many shots on that one?
What a dinger!